So a couple of things that we should probably talk about are why should we be replacing some missing teeth? It's really obvious if you're missing a front tooth why you need to get it replaced, right? Everyone's used to seeing, a full set of teeth, a full complement of teeth, and it's really noticeable. And that if we lose teeth, then the other teeth that are in the mouth have to pick up the slack and have to pick up the work. That means we don't chew off food, we don't grind up our food, so that means more work has to be done by our digestive system itself, which can lead to other ailments such as acid reflux or even irritation within the stomach and within the digestive system. You might have a space between two teeth, and then over a period of time in chewing, that space may get closed in because one of the teeth are missing, which can make it harder in the future to get a dental implant or even a tooth replacement option. So that might actually involve additional expense and additional cost because we actually have to move that drifted tooth back into a normal space so that way we can actually replace that missing space.